Hi, today we'll show you how to save and continue your project when it's halfway done. First, we gotta press stop on the panel. Then, we'll go to the file icon with a flower on it. You'll see a pop-up message asking if you want to save. Click OK. By doing that, the machine will automatically save the exact stitch and coordinates where it stopped. Now, you can remove your garment and start a new project. Always make sure it's positioned correctly. And done! You can go back to your previous design whenever you want.